Let me introduce you very briefly results of preclinical studies of the new drug for treatment of oncological disease on the basis of sp3 nanopathies, named stavrenol. Carbon sp3 nanopathy consists of the carbon cubic single crystal kernel, which dimensions do not exceed 4 nanometers and covers from monocrystal carbonium in the thicknesses of 0.192 nanometers bound to a kernel by sp3 linkage. This is electronic microscopy of the nanopathies. This slide demonstrates the mechanism of action of nanopathies. It is very difficult to find here nanopathies, but they affection to a cell of cancer, to a membrane of a cancer cell and damage it. We performed full cycle of preclinical toxicological studies, acute and subchronic toxicity. Experiments demonstrated that drug on the basis of sp3 nanopathies is non-toxic. No processes locally irritant, allergic, immunology, toxic action, and reproductive toxicity. There are a lot of substances which are not toxic, but not all of them have specific pharmacological activity. We performed study and proved that sp3 nanopathies has been studied monotherapy by sp3 nanopathies and inclusion sp3 nanopathies in the schema of treatment by cyclophosphamide. This is example of effectiveness of sp3 nanopathies in treatment leukosis. We start treatment in the early stage of disease. You can see that survival percent of chemotherapy with cyclophosphamide was 20% and cyclophosphamide plus stavrenol was 100%. This is example of lympholeucosis. In this experiment we haven't so amazing results, but it's really good, 70% with cyclophosphamide and 100% with cyclophosphamide plus stavrenol. This is treatment of lung cancer model. And you can see that all animals died with cyclophosphamide and 100% was survival with cyclophosphamide and stavrenol. Now we plan first phase clinical trials. Now we are looking for investment because it's very difficult to finalize all needed studies without financial support and without by our own help. That's all.
Thank you very much.